Unbelievable shock news. This can't be true. Lateef Adedimeji and Mo Bimpe open up on why they haven't given birth in an interview. If you're coming across our video for the first time, please subscribe. Popular Nollywood couple Lateef Adedimeji and Adebimpe Oyebade, better known as Mo Bimpe, have opened up about their journey towards starting a family. The pair, who tied the knot in a star-studded ceremony in December 2021, addressed growing public curiosity about their decision to delay having children during a candid interview. According to the couple, the choice is deeply personal and influenced by several factors, including their career commitments and the desire to build a solid foundation for their future family. Mo Bimpe emphasized that societal pressure does not dictate their lives, stating, "We understand that many people have expectations, but we've chosen to take things one step at a time. Everything happens at the right time." Lateef Adedimeji also highlighted the importance of mutual understanding and prayer in their marriage. He shared, "Starting a family is a big step. We're both very prayerful about it and believe that when it's God's time, it will happen. Right now, we're focused on supporting each other and growing together." The couple, who are celebrated for their on-screen chemistry and love-filled social media posts, have been vocal about their strong bond and mutual respect. They thanked fans for their continued support and urged well-wishers to keep them in their prayers. The revelation has sparked conversations online, with many fans praising the duo for their transparency and applauding their decision to prioritize their relationship. Others have called for more sensitivity regarding personal matters in marriage. As one of Nollywood's most beloved couples, Lateef and Mo Bimpe's openness has further endeared them to fans, proving that even amidst fame, they remain grounded and focused on what truly matters. Don't forget to subscribe.